In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RCI Ribbon indicators in Tradingview Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to search for, and how to get the RCI ribbon showing on your chart so you can start using it in your own analysis. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview Pro account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, or anything else you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle or left side of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all your tools and studies live inside Tradingview. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several tabs and sections. To keep things simple, look for the section labeled Technicals. This is where most of the commonly used technical indicators and scripts can be found. Click on Technicals so that you're focused on the right category, and you'll get access to a variety of built-in tools and community scripts. Next, you'll want to use the search bar inside this Indicators window. You should see a search field near the top of the panel. Click into that search bar so you can start typing. Using the search is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling through a long list of indicators. Now type RCI Ribbon into the search field. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter results and show you any indicators that match that name. Once you see RCI Ribbon appear in the list, simply click on it. Tradingview will instantly add it to your chart, and you should see the RCI Ribbon overlay show up either on the main chart or in a separate panel, depending on how the script is designed. From here, you can customize it if you'd like by clicking the settings icon next to the indicator name on your chart. That's optional, but it's useful if you want to adjust colors, lengths, or visibility to better match your personal trading style. Finally, if you haven't signed up for Tradingview Pro yet and you want to unlock the same layout and tools I'm using, be sure to use the link in the description to sign up. That way, you'll have access to all the features you see in this tutorial and can follow along without limitations.